Coming back to this, let's check out a question. This is December 2016 from an exam only. So, Somili Limited filed its self-assessment corporation tax return for year ended 31st December on 15th March 24. Oh, wow. What is the deadline for HMRC to start a compliance check inquiry into Somili Limited's corporation tax return for the year ended 31st December 22? Any ideas? What do you think? When should this return have been filed? If this was the year end, by when should the return be filed?
31st December 23.
Absolutely. When are they filing? 2.5 months later. Is that correct? Right. Yeah, it's 2.5 months later. Then if it is 2.5 months later, tell me this. You may remember HMRC has, because the filing is late, the last point is what is important. If the return was delivered after the due filing date, which is happening today, the notice must be given by the quarter day following the first anniversary of the actual filing date. What is the actual filing date? 15th March 24. What is 1 year anniversary of this?
15th March 25.
25. Now tell me, what is the quarter end or quarter day following up this?
31st March.
Hey, not 31st March. 31st March is not a quarter day. 31st Jan, 30th April, 31st July, 31st October. Yeah. So just remember 31st Jan. Then you can remember the other ones also. Right. So it should be 30th April. Do you agree?
Yeah.
Why? Because that is the quarter day following 1 year anniversary of the actual filing date. So where is that option? 30th April 25. There you go. 30th April 25. Yeah. So the corporation tax return should have been filed by 31st December 2023. It was therefore filed late. Yeah, we also saw that. The deadline for HMRC to start a compliance check inquiry is therefore the quarter day following the first anniversary of the actual filing date of 15th March. So is 30th April 2025. Yeah.